In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eye-catching typographic portrait using Gemini AI photo editing. This process involves crafting a striking black and white image where inspirational words make up the likeness of a face. It's quite an innovative and creative way to combine photography and typography. Let's dive into the steps and see how you can achieve this impressive effect. Begin by opening your web browser and going to Google. This is the starting point for accessing the tools we need. In the search bar, type in Google Gemini and hit enter. This search will lead you to the correct platform for our photo editing project. Once you see the appropriate link to Google Gemini, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Gemini interface, which will allow you to start creating your image. Once you're on the Gemini AI page, you'll see an option that invites you to Create Image with a banana icon next to it. Click on this option. This button leads you to the interface where the magic happens. Now, you'll want to upload a photo that you wish to transform into a typographic portrait. To do this, look for the plus sign icon within the interface. Clicking it will prompt you to select a photo from your computer. Choose a clear, high-resolution image, as the quality of the original photo can significantly impact the final result. After uploading your photo, you need to create a prompt. This is a critical step because the prompt informs the AI about what you want to achieve with your image. For this tutorial, the prompt we're using is a powerful black and white typographic portrait where motivational words form an ultra-realistic likeness of the face, symbolizing positivity and resilience. This prompt will guide the AI in understanding that you want a strong and uplifting image composed of words that embody this energy. Moving forward, once your prompt is set, the next step is to click on the Submit button. This is where the AI takes over, processing your image based on the instructions provided in your prompt. The submission is the final action, and once clicked, you'll need to allow the AI some time to work its magic. After processing, you should see your transformed image, an artistic representation composed entirely of text. This typographic portrait not only showcases technical finesse, but also captures the emotional essence conveyed through the chosen words. Feel free to experiment with different prompts and photos to explore the range of possibilities offered by this editing technique. Enjoy experimenting and creating stunning typographic portraits that are sure to impress.